Would you like to learn the secrets to tax planning? Let's have a brief look at how you can reduce your tax. On the left-hand side of this page, we see that you could have business income, employment income, or investment income. So let's assume that you run a business in a company and you've made $100,000 profit and you're going to pay 30% of that in tax. Now, your goal is to reduce your tax. But one of the best things you can do is to find ways that you can reduce your tax, but at the same time, increase your wealth. Now, one way of reducing your tax is to reduce your income. But of course, none of us want to do that. We want to focus on making more. So let's focus instead on how we can reduce tax by increasing your tax deductions. One of the main tax deductions is to make a contribution into superannuation. And so if we assume that you can make $30,000 contributions towards your super, you will save 15% of that in tax. So from some of your profits, you could put money into a self-managed fund or into a superannuation account. Let's say that you have a family trust and you might have some prepayments that you could make of interest for a margin loan or for a share portfolio for managed funds if you borrowed money for that. So if you made a $10,000 interest prepayment, you could save 30% in tax in this illustration. If you make other prepayments of tax deductions before 30th of June, you'd save 30% on those as well. Now, why do we want to look at reducing your tax? If we can get your tax down, we can increase your wealth. And that means you've got a deposit for your family home or for an investment property, or you can pay off your non-deductible home loan faster and build up more assets in your family trust and in your self-managed fund or superannuation. And remember, you only get back at the marginal tax rate what you spend. So if you spend $100 on a tax deduction, you'll only get $49 back if you're using the 49% top marginal tax rate. Now, this is general information only, and we need to give you specific tax advice, so please contact us today for assistance to reduce your tax.